Selamat siang anak-anak. Hari ini kita membahas tentang report text. Learning objective, students are able to identify social function of reports, the structure of reports, and the language feature of reports. Summary. A report text is used to give fact clearly about a topic without unnecessary information or opinion. A report text usually consists of three main structures. Title. The title usually tells the readers about the topic of the report. General classification. This part gives information or definition about the subject of the report. Descriptions. This part gives important facts or features, part, qualities, habits, behaviors about the subject. A report begins with a general statement. It tells the readers what the report is going to be about. A report may have subheadings which tell the readers what each paragraph or group of paragraph is about. Photographs and diagrams can make the report understandable and interesting. 5. Caption can help readers to relate photograph and diagrams to the text. 6. Language features. In report text, they usually use present tense if the subject is still present, past tense if the subject is extinct, example dinosaurus dodo, and use passive voice. The simple present tense. 1. The purpose of the simple present tense are to show regular, frequent actions. For example, Tina always goes to school by bus on weekdays. I never watch horror movie. They sometimes send me email. Tommy often reads biographies of Indonesian hero. To show general fact. Example, the sun rises in the east, penguins live in the Antarctic, water boils at 100 derajat Celsius. 2. The form are A. Positive subject, verb A tambah S tambah ES plus object. For example, I sleep, she sleeps. I was, he washes. For verb ending with SH, CH, SS, O, or X or Z. For example, was, teach, miss, go, fix, bus. Add AS to the verb after she, he, or it. For verbs ending with consonant Y, example, carry, study, cry, change Y into I, and add AS after she, he, it. B. Question. Do, does, subject, verb, object. Do you swim? Does he swim? There is no S at the end of the verb in questions. Negative subject plus do, does not, verb, object. I do not come. She doesn't come. There is no S at the end of the verb in the negative. The simple past tense. The purpose of the simple past tense is to talk about actions or situations that happen and finish in the past. For example, my schoolmate won an English debate competition last week. He played basketball last December. He did not call me an hour ago. I wasn't happy with my exam score. The simple past form, verb 2, of the verb be, are, was, and were. Was is the simple past form of am and is, Where is the simple past form of are? There are two types of verb too. They are regular verb and irregular verb. You see here the table about regular verb and verb to irregular verb. Begin dia berubah menjadi began. Bite menjadi bit. Build menjadi built. Catch menjadi coach. Drink menjadi drunk, ya. Lihat perubahan yang ada di situ. Ada satu contoh cerita tentang ikan hiu, the shark. The shark who plays an important role in maintaining ecosystem is a fish that lives in the sea, particularly in warm waters. Like all fish, sharks breathe through their gills. There are about 375 species of sharks. The smallest shark is called the dwarf dogfish, less than 20 centimeters long. The huge whale shark can be more than 15 meters long. Sharks usually eat fish and shellfish, but great white shark sometimes eat seals, dolphins, whales, and other marine mammals. Sharks are vertebrate animals with a backbone. However, a shark's skeleton is not made of bone, cartilage. A shark's teeth are set into its gums. While eating, a shark often loses teeth, but there are always rows of new teeth growing behind the first set. As a shark loses teeth, new ones move forward to replace them. Berdasarkan cerita di atas, kamu harus menjawab 5 pertanyaan. Number 1. What is the smallest species of shark? A. Great white shark. B. Dwarf dogfish. C. Whale shark. D. Bull shark. 2. Where do sharks live? A. In shallow water. B. In warm water. C. In cool water. D. In hot water. 3. What is paragraph 3 about? A. The differences and similarities of shark and fish. B. The physical description of sharks. C. The habitat of sharks. D. The blood of shark. 4. What happens when a shark loses its tooth? A. A new tooth will replace it. B. The shark will have no tooth. C. There will be a hole in the tooth. D. The shark will not be able to eat. Number 5. What do sharks eat? A. Fish, human being, shellfish, and whales. B. Fish, vegetables, shellfish, and planktons. C. Fish, shellfish, plankton, and other sharks. D. Fish, shellfish, seal, dolphins, and whales. Jadi kamu harus menjawab 5 pertanyaan berdasarkan cerita tentang shark atau ikan hiu. Number 2. Lavender. Lavender, lavare, means to wash in Latin. In the past, people used lavender to bath, but now many people use this as skin ingredients in many products such as detergent, soap, and shampoo. Lavender originally grew in Mediterranean mountain zone since it grows well in a stormy and sunny habitat. Nowadays, lavender is widespread to southern Europe, United States, Australia, and Indonesia also. Lavender can grow up to 60 centimeters. It is a short bush with branches that has broad rootstock. The rootstock produces upright root-like leafy green shoots or branches. The gray-green oblong taper leaves are covered by silvery down and attached directly at the root. It curves spirally. The flowers are small with blue-violet color. They are arranged at 6 to 10 blossoms. The oil of the flower radiates fragrant scents. The essential oil of lavender flower is extracted and used for various medical purposes such as remedy for insomnia, anxiety, depressions, and fatigue. Research findings suggest that lavender gives calming, smooth, soothing, and sedative effect when we inhale its scent. Okay, students, there are five questions based on the text lavender. Number 6, in which paragraph do you find the characteristic of lavender? A. Paragraph 1, B. Paragraph 2, C. Paragraph 3, D. Paragraph 4. Number 7, how do the people get lavender oil? A. By extracting it, B. By inhaling it, C. By mixing it, D. By drying it. Number 8, blah 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 is used as skin ingredients. The synonym of the underlined words is A. Perfume, B. Wash, C. Wet, D. Dry. Number 9, they are arranged. Paragraph 3, what does the underlined word refers to? A. Essential oil, B. The flowers, C. The lavender's plant, D. Medical purposes. And the last question, the text might be written by A. A florist, B. A surgeon, C. A botanist, D. A veterinarian. Okay, that's all for today. Good luck. Stay at home. Stay healthy. Bye-bye.